What if I have columns with same names in both the tables and I want to simplify my statement a little bit? Then I would use join using clause. Instead of specifying the column names explicitly, I would do join using just call1. This tells Oracle that there is a call1 in tab 1. There is also another call1 in tab 2 and do a EQUIJOIN using those. The important thing is you cannot qualify the joining column, which is call1 here, with its table name. t1.call1 or t2.call1 will not work, and qualifying is not needed as well. Let us check it out. This is tab 1. This is tab 2. I'm going to create a table called tab 21, which would be a copy of tab 2. Create table tab 21 as select star from tab 2. This will create a new table called tab 21, which would be a copy of tab 2. Tab 21 created. Select star from tab 21. Okay, call 3, call 4. And I am going to rename call 3 to call 1. That's the reason I am creating another table. Just to show you an example, as well as keep you familiar with these create table and alter commands. We already looked into these commands in part 1 of this course. Again, alter table tab 21, rename column call 3 to call 1. Tab 21 altered. Select star from tab 21. It's call 1 and call 4 now. This is the SQL with join on class, and we are going to try join using, and this will fail because I cannot qualify the column that is used in the using class with its table name in front. So I'm doing this. Call 1, call 2, and then call 4 I am selecting. If needed, you can select call 1 multiple times just to keep it similar to what we had before. Thank you for watching.